Hi, let me bring you greetings on behalf of all the sisters in the Alps Sisters Movement and of all the members and families of the Alps village. In our village, we are very supportive and grateful to have this opportunity to speak to you on behalf of developing and bringing back what was lost, and also moving forward to make our village a happy and successful one in the future. We are like wandering sheep, lost without a shepherd. We hope that this message to you would bring us some success in you coming back to work with us and to partnership with us and to connect back the movement from the movement that we had with England and Birmingham, to make back that connection so that it could happen again for us. The village was discovered by Dexter Knibb, which is William Knibb's cousin. Since that time, the production of coffee, sugarcane, bananas, cassavas, and oranges, mangoes, breadfruit, and sugarcane, all the production of those crops has been cancelled due to the lack of development of the infrastructures in the village. Okay. We in the village are doing our best in keeping our production going, but at this time we see it that we need some help to develop back our buildings so we can use them for museum. We can use the mission house can also be developed back for storage and even for museum, so that visitors and guests can come in and see what we have and touch what we have. At this time, we are working hard to protect our village from investors who would love to come in to do like bauxite. They would love to come in to do mining, and we can't allow that to happen because we have to protect the endangered species that are there, the different medicinal plants, the watershed, and first and foremost our ancestors' graves. All those graves would be dug up and thrown away, and there would be no history for us to pass down to our kids and to the world. We would like you to consider our request. We'd love you to stand up with us and to give us our strength and to let the world know that we are not alone in doing so. In Alps, we brought like visitors to come in and to visit our sites, but they complain of the poor infrastructures that we have there. When they visit, they are not able to sit comfortably after a long walk to these sites. So if we could get funds to build back things like they said there was a entertainment center there that people used to go to celebrate the different holidays with dancing and music and all of that. If we could have those buildings to not rebuild, but to refurbish, we would use them for museums, and we could have a park there where we could go for recreation. Okay, so the visitors would complain about the condition of the buildings and telling us that they are not safe for them to go into or to sit under, because they are fearful of those buildings collapsing on them. So we, the villagers of Alps and the sisters and the Alps Sisters movement, we take it into consideration, their safety and our safety as well, to reinforce these buildings.